This is an emergency alarm for Gotham City. There is a school shooting that started in a after-school program in Gotham Middle School. Authorities are requested to the area immediately. Dear teachers, if you are in class while a shooter is on campus, you need to know how to keep the children safe until authorities arrive. You can do this by remaining quiet. The shooter will not be able to hear you. Lock the doors. The shooter won't be able to get into the classroom. Hide wherever you can. This lowers your chance of being found. Do not open the door for anyone who can't risk the other children's lives. Do not freak out. The shooter could hear you. And lastly,
let him handle it.
Hello, Tommy. Hey, buddy. I know that you are really scared and confused, but this isn't the way to do things, you know. It's okay, Tommy. I will get you help. But I need you to be strong and brave. I just need you to give me a gun, buddy. Then this will all be over, I promise. I need you to trust me. I will help you. It's okay, Tommy. It is never too late.